lie. You have not been failing.
We've been acting.
Andre, we were all failing compared to you.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean today? Oh, okay, fair.
And we're failing.
I'll step away.
We are here for Phoebe's birthday.
Birthday vlog.
There she is.
Happy birthday! Make videos like that.
I'm sure if we mess
I have nothing bad to say about Jada. She's a great friend.
Sound on.
I plead the fifth.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now they're looking up. I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough, but now the sun is rising. I'm with people. Let's be new people. There's somewhere. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and I'm dying. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories, so let's start listening. Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now they're looking up. I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough, but now the sun is rising. I'm with new people. Let's be new people. There's somewhere. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and I'm dying. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Now they're looking up. I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough, but now the sun is rising. And we're new people. Let's be new people. There's somewhere.
Hey, long time no see. I hope you've had a good summer because I've been absolutely jobless, like laying on my back watching Netflix shows back to back, jobless. But right now I'm actually half an hour late for a thing that my cousin has put together to play rounders and have a barbecue. I'm not playing, but I am there to support, so I'll see you there. Woo.
Yeah, so there's two teams, batters and fielders. So fielders, your job is to catch out the batters. The batters, your job is to whack the ball as far as it can go, and then make your way around the posts. There's 4 posts, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you make it, if you hit the ball and make it to round, post 2 or 3, that's half a rounder, which is half a point for your team. If you run all the way round past 4, then you get a whole rounder for your team.
Batter.
So, yeah, that's a batter.
I'm a batter.
Boys versus girls, isn't it? Equality.
Wait.
It's women's equality today.
Is
Yeah.
it? Oh, damn.
Yeah.
If you're, I know the rules actually.
Go on.
So if you're,
Stop going back
if
to
you're
it
the
now.
last batter, so let's say I bat, I'm the only one left on my team, and it's a shit one. What you can just do is field it to the last stump and then get them out. So all I have to do is literally hit it and run all the way around. The before you can get me out.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Sitting from the top of a lounge, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do what we want. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
We're at the park. Everyone's already tired. It's been like 5 minutes. Oldies.
We're all approaching 30. We didn't even warm up, so we're having a little break.
Between me and you, yeah, the boys are cheating. They're cheating. Criminals.
I can feel it in my bones, and nothing to ask some more. Got me looking like a clown. Someone always let us down. Tell me I'll be what I eat. Can I do that? Got my needs. Close the door and kill the sound. Someone always let us down. I can tell that you're a dancer. Throwing your hands in the air, that you answer. When I ask you if you want it, you're a panther. I'm a little too for a boy, you a trans girl. I put on left, right, it just says cancer. I can go change if you want to. I mean no things that you don't do. I won't put a foot on the floor unless I am sure. You just jump head first, hope for an encore. Look, girl. I can pay for the nice return. I can feel it in my bones, and it's them to us some more. Got me looking like a clown. Summer always let us down. Tell me I'll be what I eat. Can't help it, I got my needs. Close the curtain, kill the sounds. Summer always let us down. Hey, hey, dirty tricks, you got plenty of them. Hey, hey, mad kicks, come on, done a dozen. Hey, hey, blah, blah, then you walk away. And I turn to the pipes to forget your name. Like Lenny, I imagine that you like me. Like many, I know who I'm trying to be. I'm sure I was wrong, but so were you. So get off your high horse, shovel the glue.
Barbecue time. So just gonna see what's cooking.
I'm looking for that.
I'm getting to buy a new phone, aren't they?
Yeah, it's working.
Oh, is it okay?
What's cooking, Glenn?
Some seek kebabs. Some lamb chop.
Okay.
Some chicken wings.
Yes.
And on my left here, you have Brad doing the tasting.
Yeah.
making
How's
sure-
it?
Very nice, very nice.
Guess who cooked that?
Okay.
The wife over here. Not his wife, but a wife.
It's looking good though.
It is looking good.
Looking good. Okay.